Hello everyone, I hope that you're all doing good. So today we are going to start with your second chapter, relations and functions. So to study key relations or functions क्या होते हैं, we first need to know that what is a Cartesian product. So for that I shall give you one example. Suppose you have two sets A and B. Now your set A has two colors, suppose red and black. And your set B has three objects, say B, C and D. ओके सो अगर आपसे ये पूछा जाए कि आप इन कलर्स को यूज करके कितने डिफरेंट कलर्ड ऑब्जेक्ट्स बना सकते हो, सो व्हाट कैन बी दोज. फर्स्ट यू कैन यूज रेड, सो यू कैन हैव अ रेड कलर्ड बी, then a red colored C, and then a red colored D. Similarly, if you select black, you can paint all the objects in black. That means you have a black colored B, a black colored C, and a black colored D. So you had two different sets जिनमें आपको different colors and different objects given थे. So when you were asked कि इन सब के combination से आप कितने different types के objects बना सकते हो, so these were your possible cases. इसको हम कहते हैं a Cartesian product. A Cartesian product is a product in which there are two non-empty sets P and Q which is not equals to 5. That means वो दोनों के दोनों sets कैसे हैं? Non-empty. And then P cross Q को हम define करते हैं to be the set of all the ordered pairs of the elements from P and Q. Ordered pair का मतलब क्या होता है? A form P, Q जिसे हम round brackets में रखते हैं, where the first element comes from the first set and the second element comes from the second set. So this is a set of all the ordered pairs P and Q where P belongs to capital P and Q belongs to capital Q. So इसे हम कहते हैं a Cartesian product. So we shall now look at the few remarks related to the ordered pairs and the Cartesian product. The first one says that two ordered pairs are equal if and only if their corresponding elements are equal. That means कि अगर A, B और C, D दो ordered pairs हैं, वो equal सिर्फ तभी हो सकते हैं जब उन दोनों के first elements equal हो and उन दोनों के second elements equal. Now the second remark says अगर set A में P elements हैं and set B में Q elements हैं, then जो उनका Cartesian product होगा A cross B, it will have PQ elements. Now we saw an example right now जिसमें हमने एक set में दो different colors लिए and दूसरे set में हमने तीन different objects लिए. And when we looked on कि हमें इससे कितने different colored objects मिल सकते हैं, we got 6 different colored objects. Why was that? That was because the A set had 2 elements and the set B had 3 elements. Therefore, our product A cross B had 6 elements. Moving on to the third point, it says that if A and B are two non-empty sets, such that if either of them is infinite, then so will be A cross B. इसका मतलब अगर A और B आपके पास दो नॉन एम्प्टी सेट्स हैं और उनमें से कोई भी एक अगर इनफाइनाइट होता है, इनफाइनाइट सेट कुड बी फॉर एग्जांपल सेट ऑफ नेचुरल नंबर्स, सेट ऑफ रियल नंबर्स, सेट ऑफ होल नंबर्स और द नंबर ऑफ पीपल ऑन दिस planet or something like that, so that could be an infinite set. तो अगर कोई भी एक set infinite होगा तो जो हमारा Cartesian product होगा that will also be infinite. Why? Because हमारे पास choices increase हो चुके हैं, there are infinite choices because one set has infinite number of elements. Now the fourth point says that if a Cartesian product is of the form A cross A cross A, इसका मतलब यहाँ पर तीन सेट का प्रोडक्ट हो रहा है, तो इसमें जो हमारे ऑर्डर्ड पेयर होगा वो किस टाइप का होगा? इट विल बी ऑफ द फॉर्म A, B, C, वेयर ऑल ऑफ दीज आर कमिंग फ्रॉम द सेट A. नाउ सिंस जो आपका पास ये सेट में एलिमेंट है, इट इज हैविंग 3 एलिमेंट्स, therefore this is not called a pair, instead हम इसे एक ट्रिपलेट बोलते हैं. So Cartesian products of these form will have the elements which are called triplets. So we now proceed to your exercise 2.1 and we firstly do the question number A. It says that A is a set which has elements 1 and 2, B is a set which has elements 3 and 4. Firstly, you have to find A cross B. So A cross B has all the ordered pairs in which the first element comes from A and the second element comes from B. So A cross B can be written as, firstly we take 1, so 1 के साथ we can have 3 and then 1 के साथ we can have 4. Similarly, when we take 2, with 2 we can have 3 and then with 2 we can have 4. So you can see that A cross B has 4 elements. Why so? Because A had 2 elements and B had 2 elements as well. So therefore A cross B has 4 elements. Why? Because A cross B में कितने elements होते हैं? The product of both the numbers of elements. And now your next part says that how many subsets will this particular product have? Now see, we already did that if a set B has m elements, then the power set of D always has 2 to the power m elements. That's what we do. So power set of D का मतलब क्या हुआ? कितने subsets हैं इस set के? क्योंकि power set is a collection of all the subsets. तो इसका मतलब 2 to the power m is actually the number of subsets of D. So here आपका जो D है that is your A cross B. A cross B में कितने elements हैं? Those are 4 elements. So A cross B के कितने subsets होंगे? The number of elements in the power set of A cross B. That means you're gonna find P of A cross B, and that will be 2 to the power 4, that is 16. So this particular product will have 16 subsets. So moving on to the 10th question, it says कि A cross A का जो Cartesian product है इसमें 9 elements हैं, and out of those 9 elements 2 elements are given, -1 0 and 0 1. So you have to find all the rest of the elements. अब ये कैसे होगा? We know कि the number of elements in a Cartesian product is actually the product of number of elements in each of the set. So we can write that n of A cross A is actually equals to n of A into n of A. So if we analyze this, this is given to be 9. So अगर हम इसको देखें, so we clearly know that number of elements in the set A are 3. And we know जो A cross A का Cartesian product है, इसमें जो elements हमारे जो ordered pairs A, B type के हैं, इसमें both A and B are coming from the set A. And we know कि A में कितने elements हैं? 3. So if we look at these two pairs, we know that A, B में जो numbers आ रहे हैं, जो digits आ रही हैं, they are -1 0 and 1. And clearly ये तीनों के तीनों A में belong करते हैं, because this is an A cross A product. So therefore the set A has -1 0 and 1. Alright, and अगर हमें इसका Cartesian product लिखना हो, so A cross A can be written as, we'll take all the elements, so it will be of the form A, B, the ordered pairs where A and B both belong to A. So इस तरीके से आप लिख सकते हो, and the elements would be -1 को पहले इन सब के साथ लेंगे, so that would be -1 -1 -1 0 and -1 1. Similarly, you will take 0 with all of the 3, that will be 0, -1, then 0, 0 and 0, 1. Similarly, you will take 1 with all of the 3, that will be 1, -1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. So in total there will be 9 elements.